Welcome to another episode of Charles Realty Reels with me, Charles T. Today magbe-break muna tayo sa work at property hunting dahil bibili tayo ng bahay na matagal na natin pinapangarap. Pero this time, hindi totoong bayang hanapin natin dahil nasa Toycon tayo. Mula sa mga iconic homes at headquarters ng ating mga paboritong characters, alamin natin kung saan nila gustong tumira sa mundo ng imagination. Kaya habang nasa Toycon tayo, itatanong natin sa ating mga kaibigan, what is your favorite pop culture real estate? Kaya tara, hanapin natin ang dream home natin sa mundo ng pop culture.
Wow, that's a good question. I would probably say the Ghostbusters Firehouse. It's just like anything could happen. Like they're literally there with all their like ops.
So since I'm a Superman fan, it's the Fortress of Solitude.
Yung mas na Boulder Hill, ito yung sample na sasakyan nila. So yun din, Mass Boulder Hill. Maganda rin yun, may mga action pack din, may mga gumagalaw. So maganda rin yun.
For me, it's really the Hall of Justice. Kasi Gen X so lumaki tayo with the Super Friends.
Okay, I have two. Okay, but also in the same universe. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, Ernie's Juice Bar, where they hang out, and of course, the command center.
Yung gusto ko hindi mo mabibili sa Pilipinas or sa Amerika, Death Star, sa ibang planeta.
Dalawa. Gusto ko ng Firehouse. Kasi nasa New York ba yun? Yung Hall of Justice. Si Bongga tsaka malaki.
Teka, Firehouse na to, no? Ghostbusters.
Ang Ghostbusters, malinaw tayo doon.
Yung original na command center sa Power Rangers.
Actually, before, it used to be Castle Grayskull. But since ngayon I'm into Gundams, the white base, the classic white base from the Gundam series, yung OG series.
It has to be the X-Mansion from the X-Men mythos. Because I grew up watching the X-Men animated series in the mid-1990s. So yeah, that's my favorite real estate from fiction.
Ako kasi 90s na bata ako. So mahilig ako sa Power Rangers. For me, yung command center ng Power Rangers, nakalimutan ko na yung mismong tawag pero alam ko yun. Kung nasa loob si Zordon yun, gusto ko yun. Yun ang pinaka-paborito ko.
When it comes to DC, di ba, yung Hall of Justice, everything. He-Man, you have Castle Grayskull, you have Marvel, di ba? You can choose one. It's all of them.
Wayne Manor, kasi may Batcave, tsaka Charles Xavier's School for the Gifted.
Ako, pinaka-favorite ko yung Castle Dracula sa Castlevania. Kasi dalawang position, may inverted, may proper castle, tapos nagte-teleport siya from anywhere.
Snow White Castle, yung sa Evil Queen. Why? Why not, di ba?
Batcave.
Avengers Tower.
Camp Big Falcon. Kasi yung defense system niya, very high-tech.
Sa Ghostbusters na Firehouse. Kasi parang it's just so cool na nakapark dun yung Ecto-1.
Well, since favorite ko si Wolverine, of course, yung X-Mansion.
For me, sobrang dami, pero Castle Grayskull na lang.
Favorite pop culture real estate. Top of mind, I think it would be the Batcave. I've always been, fond of gadgets and out of this world stuff na nakikita doon sa buong Batcave. So, yun.
Gusto ko yung kina Rey na Death Star pero hindi natin alam kung anong pangalan nun so Death Star na lang. Kasi I think yung Death Star is very iconic. Every time we see it, we already know what it is.
Well, this is a hit. My favorite real estate is Princess Peach's Castle in the Mushroom Kingdom.
Siyempre, sa edad kong to, yung Fortress of Solitude at saka yung Batcave.
Of course, mga He-Man, mga nakakawaw lang. Kaya Snake Mountain. I love you,
Iba-iba man ang mundo na gusto natin tirahan, lahat tayo may isang lugar na tinatawag na dream home. This has been your property expert, Charles T.